Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make frozen burritos better only way. Thaw a burrito for 10 to 12 minutes at room temperature, then sear each side in a skillet with a teaspoon of oil until golden and crisp, press gently, and transfer to a low broiler or toaster oven just long enough to ensure the center is hot without overcooking the tortilla. Boost frozen burrito flavor with a few smart swaps that are easy and fast. Open the seam slightly and add a spoonful of salsa or pico de gallo, some shredded cheese, or a few spoonfuls of beans for texture and protein. Lightly press a dusting of smoked paprika or cumin on the tortilla before searing, which brings warmth and aroma while you crisp up the outside for a restaurant feel. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more kitchen upgrades. Quick recommendation: grab those leak-proof containers that make meal prep easy for storing fillings, freezing assembled burritos, and transporting lunches without spills. They save space, keep sauces contained, and make reheating faster. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, it makes lunchtime so much simpler. Now let's get back to the video. Aim for a crisp outside and a thoroughly warmed inside by using a non-stick skillet and a teaspoon of oil, searing each side until golden. After searing, cover the skillet briefly for 1 to 2 minutes to trap steam and finish heating the center without burning the tortilla. Top with cool crema, guacamole, or chopped cilantro to add freshness, contrast, and balance to every bite for an upgraded frozen burrito experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.